The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra official first look is here, and this time it appears to be leaked by Samsung itself. Samsung may have unintentionally revealed the design of the Galaxy S26 Ultra ahead of its official launch. The flagship is expected to debut in late February, but an important One UI app seems to have exposed the phone's official design mockup. The latest Tips app in One UI 8.5 introduces Samsung's new privacy display feature. To demonstrate this feature, the app uses a graphical mockup, and the device shown strongly resembles the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to feature more rounded corners compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung has also reduced the bezel thickness, resulting in a larger visible display area. The display's camera cutout looks slightly bigger than before. This could indicate a wider field of view, similar to what Apple introduced on its recent iPhone models. As usual, the left side of the phone's alloy frame remains clean, with no buttons present. The mockup also suggests that Samsung has further smoothed the transition between the frame and the display, likely to improve in-hand comfort. On the right side, there are 3 buttons: volume up, volume down, and a side key. This side key is multifunctional and can act as a power button or be used to launch an AI assistant. The Galaxy S26 Ultra mockup also matches recently leaked dummy units. The S Pen slot appears to be pushed as far left as possible, and the S Pen itself now has a rounded top, matching the phone's softer design language. At the bottom, the phone includes a SIM tray, a USB Type-C port for charging and data, a primary microphone, and a speaker grille. The top frame houses a secondary microphone. Overall, these changes show Samsung's effort to further refine the Galaxy S26 Ultra's design. While the updates are subtle, they could make a noticeable difference in daily use. That said, the final design will not be officially confirmed until Samsung's Unpacked event next month. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S26 series on February 25, 2026. Alright guys, that's everything we know so far about the Galaxy S26 Ultra's leaked design. Let me know in the comments what you think about these subtle changes. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone has now obtained NBT certification in Thailand. This certification listing officially confirms the device's launch in the specified global market. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, carrying the model number MS948B/DS, has appeared in the NBT certification database as the international 5G variant and supports dual SIM functionality. On the NBTC platform, the device is certified under the certificate number B3889525 with confirmed support for 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G network connectivity. As highlighted earlier, this certification confirms the Galaxy S26 Ultra's launch in Thailand. Looking at earlier developments, the flagship smartphone has already cleared IMDA, 3C, and FCC certifications. In addition, its battery units were previously spotted on the BIS database, suggesting potential launches in markets such as Singapore, China, the United States, and India. Regarding known specifications, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor paired with a 5000 mAh battery. The device is also said to support 60-watt wired fast charging, wireless power transfer, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, NFC, ultra-wideband, and satellite connectivity. In terms of imaging, the smartphone is expected to include a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front, a 12-megapixel selfie camera is also anticipated. Samsung recently introduced a 60-watt charging adapter, which is believed to be designed specifically for the Galaxy S26 flagship lineup. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&OLED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080x2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dB fast charging and 15 dB wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4900 mAh unit with 45 dB fast charging and 15 dB wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440x3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the latest updates.